An ETF, or exchange-traded fund, is a type of investment fund that works like a stock. ETFs, like other forms of funds, collect money from investors and invest it in a variety of investments such as stocks, bonds, and other securities. ETFs may typically grant investors with diversification by distributing the fund's money across multiple securities, which can help to balance risks. While ETF shares are exchanged on a stock market, they are bought and sold just like stocks, incurring commissions and other expenses. There are several ETFs, each with its own set of objectives, just as there are numerous mutual funds. Some ETFs hold a mix of bonds and stocks. Some monitor the performance of a stock index, such as the Dow Jones Industrial Average or the S&P 500, while others track the growth of a particular industry sector, such as technology or pharmaceuticals. However, various ETFs provide varying degrees of diversification. ETFs that specialize on individual sectors, for example, often provide less diversity than those meant to imitate an index. Consider investing in an ETF as an example. Assume an investor wishes to acquire a diversified investment that is intended to mimic the performance of a popular stock index, such as the S&P 500. After examining various ETFs and selecting the one that best meets his objectives, he acquires shares of it through his broker, just as he would with an individual stock. Let me know in the comments if you have any other questions about investing. Let's return to the video. Now that he owns stock, the investor gets a stake in all of the fund's investments while only needing to buy one ETF. Participating in a broad market with a single purchase rather than many transactions might save an investor's time on research and analysis. So how could an investor potentially earn a profit from the ETF? He can make a return in two ways, just like a stock: growing ETF market price and dividends. Whereas if the worth of the ETF's investment rises, so will its price. If our investor bought a potential ETF at $50 and sold it for $65 a year later, he might make $15 per share by selling his stock. Of course, if the ETF's price fell, our investors would also have lost money if he sold the investment at the lower price. Since many ETFs are traded on a stock market, they may be purchased and sold at any time. But not all ETFs are extensively traded, which can make filling orders challenging. Now think of a mutual fund. The majority of mutual funds are priced and traded towards the end of the day. Aside from price movements, our investor might possibly earn if the ETF pays a dividend, which refers to the distribution of a portion of the fund's profits and capital gains. Dividends are not paid by all ETFs. Many instead reinvest their profits back into the fund's assets. The dividend yield of a fund is one technique to determine whether or not it pays dividends. This dividend yield is the amount paid by the fund in relation to the present market price of the share. ETFs also have other appealing characteristics. While most mutual funds demand a minimum investment that can be hefty, an ETF investor can simply purchase a single share with charges and fees. Furthermore, as most ETFs are not actively managed, they offer lower management costs than mutual funds. There are several ETFs that seek to track assets such as corporate bonds, stocks from foreign countries, commodities, and even currencies, among other investments. While these assets involve different risks, the ETFs that follow them provide investors with a convenient approach to examine and perhaps locate opportunities in a variety of markets. Hope you have learned something from this video. What are your thoughts? Comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to click the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell for you to be updated on our latest videos. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching! Want to learn more and be more financially literate? Click on the next videos we have in our channel, showing on the screen right now.